In this video, I'm going to show you the analysis of the market using my private indicator, and you will be simply amazed because it has again worked into the today's market. So guys, this is not just for today. This indicator is working into the Forex, crypto and the stock market from the last 3 months. And many of my subscribers have doubled their account and they are making very good profits using this indicator. So this indicator is basically based on the two things which comes up with the bank selling order and the bank buying order. So for example, look at this picture. This is the Euro Great Britain Pound live market on the 5-minute chart, and you can see there was a bank buying order, plus we have the dotted green line, and the dotted lines are subject to never repaint. Yes guys, these lines are very important and they never repaint, and you will realize this thing when you will have this indicator on your screen. So first of all, I will say those subscribers who are willing to book the lifetime version of this indicator, they can contact on Telegram. The link is given in the description of this video below. So guys, you can see there was a bank buying order, plus we have the dotted line, and you can see simply the price moved from that area, and that is the perfect trade that it has provided you for the scalping. Okay, and now I will show you more cases about this indicator, that how it should be worked. You can see on CAD JPY there was a bank selling order and plus dotted red line. If you see in the background, you can see the rejection is very straightforward and you can see with your eyes. Okay, so similarly the third process with this indicator is, if the market breaks below the dotted green line, it's a weak signal for the market. It means that from here the market should expect to go into the downward direction, and this is what exactly happened here. Okay, I again repeat, when the market breaks below the dotted green line, which never repaints, it's a sell signal for you, and you can see the market is pushing into the downward direction. Okay, I can show you more cases. Okay, on Euro JPY right now you can see that the market is at the bank buying order. We have the dotted line. If it breaks below, it will be a sell signal. Otherwise, the maximum chances are to go up from these levels. Okay, so let's take more examples. Okay, the Euro USD is at the bank selling order, but we do not have the dotted line. It means that these type of levels can be a weak levels. Okay, now for example, look at this picture. This is Great Britain Pound AUD. So it's crossing below the dotted green line. So if this candle closes successfully below this dotted green line, it will be another sell signal and the market can target the next bank buying level. So this indicator is far better than using the support and resistance indicators, because support and resistance indicators are very confusing. Okay, look at this. How beautifully Great Britain Pound JPY 5-minute is going down from the bank selling orders, plus you have the dotted red line, and now it's pushing below the dotted green line, and now it will be your next sell signal. So this is how this indicator works very well in gold, forex, crypto, stocks, anything that you trade, anything. And whenever the market closes above the dotted red line, it's a buy signal, and you can see for scalping it has provided you with the next bullish candle. Okay, so this indicator works in S&P 500 as well. So this is the 500 S&P 500 picture. You can see this candle successfully closed above the red dotted line, and you can see in the price movement that the price simply went into the upward direction with no other methods. Okay, so let me show you the crypto performance today. So Matic. Okay, so Matic 5-minute, why it is going down? Because we have the bank selling order. So once, if you have a break from the dotted red line, it's a buy signal, but if there is a bank selling order at the top, you need to avoid such trades. Look at this. This is no repainting, and you can see the candle closes above the dotted red line on Matic, and you can see the price simply went up. So we mostly trade the breaks of the dotted lines by the help of this indicator, and this is quite fantastic. You look at this. This is US 100. Okay, it closed above the dotted red line. You can see simply the price has moved into the upward direction, and from the dotted green line and the bank buying level, you can see the price simply moved up. So guys, this is the most powerful indicator that is available, and we will share it with you privately. So if you are willing to book the lifetime version of this indicator, you can contact on Telegram, and you can also send your emails on fxmentor1985@gmail.com. and this is the real indicator. This is not a just word indicator, because actually it has turned very successfully for my subscribers, and you can check their feedbacks into the Telegram group. So guys, if you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel, and share this video. And thank you very much for watching this video.